Hello friends, I Vidit Agarwal welcome you all to our YouTube channel Vidhiwise. Today I will discuss a very important topic on punishments with you with the help of a judgment. Before I proceed further, I request you to please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Vidhiwise and also watch the video till the end so that you get full clarity on the concept and optimum knowledge. The concept of punishment is dealt with under chapter 3 of IPC from section 53 to 75. Section 53 prescribes different types of punishments, that is death, imprisonment for life, imprisonment, rigorous or simple, forfeiture of property and fine. The words life imprisonment occurring under section 53 are not preceded by any word rigorous or simple. In this situation, a question arises, what will be the nature of life imprisonment? If a person has been sentenced to life imprisonment, then what will be the nature of it? Will the life imprisonment be required to be undergone by him with hard labor or without hard labor? That is simple. No guideline has been provided by the legislature in this regard, and the Supreme Court has read it to mean imprisonment with labor. Recently, the Supreme Court in Muhammad Al-Fazali versus State of Assam has reiterated that life imprisonment as occurring under section 53 would mean imprisonment with labor. It becomes important for us to examine why Supreme Court has reached to this conclusion. Supreme Court referred to various previous judgments, and all these judgments can be seen in chronological order. Pandit Kishorilal versus King Emperor 1945, Gopal Vinayak Godse versus State of Maharashtra 1961, State of Madhya Pradesh versus Ahmadullah 1961, K.M. Nanavati versus State of Bombay 1961, Naib Singh versus State of Punjab 1983. In Pandit Kishorilal versus King Emperor, this question came up before the Privy Council with respect to words transportation for life, and Privy Council held that these words have always been understood to mean imprisonment with labor. After independence in 1955, a significant amendment was brought in IPC by which section 53A was added, and it was provided there that words transportation for life would be read to mean imprisonment for life. Subsequently, in all the judgments which have been delivered by the Supreme Court, the same interpretation has been adopted, and it has been consistently held by the Supreme Court that the words imprisonment for life will be understood to mean imprisonment with labor. That is why in the present judgment also Supreme Court said the same thing. After a long line of judgments, this interpretation is now well settled that imprisonment for life would mean imprisonment with labor. If any question is asked in the judicial service examination with respect to this controversy, that what will be the nature of imprisonment for life, then you can easily answer with the help of this discussion that life imprisonment would mean imprisonment with labor. This is all what I wanted to discuss in this video. We will meet here again with a new topic on this channel Vidhiwise, and by the time you watch this video, and also comment in the comment section if you have any query related to this topic. Thank you very much.